Question number 12 exam का question. Concept of national income has an important place in economics development. National income is macroeconomics concept. ये पता है कि national income macroeconomic concept है क्योंकि पूरे नेशन होल नेशन से रिलेटेड है. सो व्हेन इट इज रिलेटेड टू द होल इकोनॉमी देन इट इज मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स. Performance of economy can be studied through national income. Macro variables like aggregate matlab total, aggregate consumption, aggregate saving and investment, price level, demand and supply of money are components or result of national income. National income is useful to measure standard of living and welfare of people. स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग बढ़ी है, यदि नेशनल इनकम बढ़ी है तो स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग बढ़ेगी एंड अल्टीमेटली इट विल रिजल्ट इन वेलफेयर ऑफ पीपल. National income helps in forming economic policies. According to the national income, economic policies will be formed. National income helps comparison with international economy because international economy के भी तो set standard हैं, तो comparison करके हम एक set standard से compare करके एक conclusion पे पहुंच सकते हैं. We will know how to be better. Level of employment depends on GDP, gross domestic product. Gross domestic product, which is concept of national income.